Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be going over the 5th set of combos for level 1.9, which use a pop transition. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your 4th set of combos for this level. If not, you can click right here for that tutorial. So the first combo is going to be a pop front scoot round to a pop front scoot round. So you're going to do your pop front scoot round and follow through to a front side stance. From there, you're going to jump into your second pop front scoot round. The second combo is going to be a pop front swipe hook to a pop front swipe hook. So you're going to do your pop front swipe hook and follow through to a front side stance. And from there, you're set up to do your second pop front swipe hook. The third combo is going to be a pop back scoot round to a pop back scoot round. So you're going to do your pop back scoot round and land in a backside stance. From there, you're set up to do your second pop back scoot round. The last combo is going to be a pop back swipe hook to a pop back swipe hook. So you're going to do your pop back swipe hook and land in a backside stance. Then from there, you're good to do your second pop back swipe hook. Now, obviously, if you're going to attempt any of these combos, make sure that you have your pop grounded flip kicks down already, as well as probably your zero kicks too. And I want to encourage you guys to mix these combos up with your zero kick combos. Now, as always, make sure that you're focusing on the move that you're doing as you're doing it, especially when you're doing combos. And remember to take it slow in the beginning, and then as it gets easier, you can add a little bit more speed and power. Let's check it out one more time. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'd like to thank all the patrons for supporting this channel. And if you would like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into the 6th set of combos for level 1.9. It'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz.